Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss with you 16 benefits if you are investing in Azerbaijan and why you should invest in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is a Euro-Asian country. Azerbaijan is called a tourism hub and a transit hub of the region in the Central Asia. If you are going to invest in commercial property or residential property, your investment will grow nearly 35 to 40% every year, and as well as you will have a great rental returns that ranges from 7 to 8% for a residential property per annual, and if you are going for the commercial property, it ranges from 12% to 15% annual. So here we are going to discuss with you 16 benefits for investor. Number one, if you are investor and you are buying property in Azerbaijan, you can get property residence with your family in Azerbaijan. This is the number one benefit, and you have all the rights of the local people. You can do business, you can do trade or any other activity. Number two, the other benefit is that if you want to start your business or you want to do job in Azerbaijan, you can have this after having the property residence. Number three, free education for your children if you get permanent residence after 2 years, and that is also free medical services for your family after getting permanent residence after 2 years. You must remember that first 2 years you will get a temporary residence on the base of investment in property, and the minimum value of the investment should be more than $60,000. It is one of the cheapest country in the world where you can buy property of $60,000 and get property residence. Fourth or fifth benefit is that Azerbaijan is a crime-free country. Azerbaijan has minimum crimes in less than Europe, less than London, or less than New York. Even the police has no arms or guns here in Azerbaijan. So one of the safest country, Azerbaijan. And number seven, people are very welcoming in Azerbaijan. So many tourists coming every year here in Azerbaijan. So Azerbaijani people are welcoming, and there is no racism between Azerbaijan people. Number eight, Azerbaijan has great connectivity with Europe, Central Asia, Russia, Middle East, and Asia. So if you are belong to ASEAN country like Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, or any other country like Africa, South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Tanzania, or any of the country, Azerbaijan has a great connectivity with the African, ASEAN, European, and Asian countries. Number nine, Azerbaijan is a tourism hub. Nearly 8 million tourists every year visiting Azerbaijan. And number 10, Azerbaijan is a transit trade hub between China and Europe. 5,000 containers transported every month. So this is a big volume. 11, Azerbaijan has a healthy food. Overall cuisine of Azerbaijan is very rich, so you will enjoy the food here, and that is not impure, very pure food, and very good culture of Azerbaijan. So I really like the food of Azerbaijan. I'm living in Azerbaijan from previous 16 to 17 years, and I really enjoy the food culture and the welcoming people. Number 12, Azerbaijan is a great place to retire. If you belong to Europe, if you belong to UK, Canada, or America, you want to retire in Azerbaijan, this is one of the greatest country because living cost in Azerbaijan is very low. Suppose for a single person it could be $300, and for a family of two, it could be just $500. But you cannot live with this money in Turkey or in Dubai or in any other country. So Azerbaijan is the great country, a hidden gem for the people who want to retire in a safe and secure and healthy country. So Azerbaijan has a 25% forest. It means that air quality of Azerbaijan is very good. So being a retiree person, Azerbaijan could be your very best place for living. Number 13, Azerbaijan has a stable economy. It means that inflation in Azerbaijan is controlled from previous 7 years ratio between dollar and manat. So in $1 you can get 1.7 manat. It means that in 7 years there is no fluctuation. So inflation is controlled, and this is very helpful for the people, for investors, and as well as those who want to live a happy life. If you buy a property in Azerbaijan for cash flow, in Azerbaijan you can get a 7 to 8% rental income annually. It means that if $1,000 property, you are getting 7 to 8,000 dollars every year, and as well as your property value is increasing nearly 30 to 40%, and the total return on investment is 35 to 40% in Azerbaijan. That is very good return on investment. So I think that Azerbaijan is better than Turkey, better than Dubai for investment. And if you're looking for a country which is crime free, which is safe country and good place for living, and you're looking for the investment, this is the right place to invest in Azerbaijan. You can invest in commercial property, you can invest in residential property, and Azerbaijan allow 100% ownership of the business and as well as of the property. If you buy a property, you will be 100% owner of the property, and if you start a business, you don't need any sponsor, local sponsor here in Azerbaijan. You can start your business with just $1 and within a 1 day. It means that ease of doing business in Azerbaijan ranking is 34. Like Azerbaijan has a very good environment, cheap office rent, cheap labor, and cheap energy. So if you want to start a business, Azerbaijan could be the best place. If you want to invest in Azerbaijan, your investment is going to grow 35 to 40% annual, and within 3 years you will get 100% returns on your investment. So I suggest, if you are looking for a country that is safe and where your investments grow organically, that is one and only Azerbaijan. I hope these 16 benefits was helpful for you to make further decision. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.